CroxItOut is MX24's call to action, usually in the month of October.
So breast cancer usually starts. It begins from the milk duct.
You see, she looks like a doctor, so I keep elevating, and it will come in Jesus' name.
When I asked you if you use deodorant, you were excited, and people were thinking I'm coming to fish people out.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is MX24 signing out. Thank you.
Now, we're fortunate enough to have our title sponsors from the home of Shalina Healthcare, producers of Germol Antiseptic, and I'm here to speak to the marketing manager. Please introduce yourself to us. Me, I know him. You don't know him. So I want him to introduce himself to you.
Okay, so my name is Richard Opoku. Yes, I'm the head of marketing for Shalina Healthcare. You know, Shalina is two departments. We have the farmer and then the consumer. So I head the consumer marketing department. Since they are students and since they are young ones, I believe partnering with MX24 with CroxItOut is in a way would help us sell the idea of Shalina promoting healthcare, and then Germol helping sort out personal care kind of thing, because using antiseptic liquid, using it to bath, going to the washroom, you need to use it in your closet and all those things. So partnering with MX24, I think is one of my biggest plan this year to come on board.